In this video, we'll do a quick example of how to factorize and find a common factor. So here we have a binomial expression of 2xy plus 4y. And what we want to do is factorize. So when we factorize, we want to look for common terms that divide into both of these terms. So in this example, we can see that 2 and 4 are both divisible by 2, and also that every term has a y, which is a common factor. So what I'll do is divide both terms by 2y to take out my common factor. So if I take out 2y and I divide 2xy with 2y, I'm left with x. And in the second term, if I divide by 2y, the y's will cancel out, and 4 divided by 2 would equal 2. So 2y is our common factor.